How to create a pie chart in Google Sheets. We already have some data, for example, a table of expenses. First, select the table, Insert, Chart. Google Sheets suggests a chart type automatically, but we can change it in chart type. Scroll down and you'll see 3 pie chart options, for example 3D pie. Another option is donut chart. Let's keep the first one. Now let's check the settings. The first tab is Chart Style. Here you can edit the background, remove it or choose any color. Same with the chart border color, let's remove it. In the pie chart section you can edit the slices. For example, make a donut and choose distance from the center. Here you also find slice label. You can show category, value, percentage or both. These labels appear directly on the slices of the chart. In the pie slice section you can change the color of each slice. Let's make the colors softer. You can also click directly on the slice and then change its color. Another option, highlight one slice for a report. Select the slice and set the distance from center. Done. If you exit editing, you'll see tooltips automatically. Let's go back to editing. Next section, Chart and Axis Titles. Here you can type a title for your chart. You can make it bold, centered, or change the color. You can also add a subtitle if needed. To remove it, just delete the text. Next section, Legend. Here you can choose the position of your legend. You can also edit font, size, or color. Now let me show you how to add data. Type new values under the table. The chart updates automatically. To adjust it manually, go to Settings and edit Data Range. Always select your data together with headers. Make sure the checkbox Use Row 1 as headers is on. If it's unchecked, the first row will be counted as data. Now let's see what we can do with our chart. You can save it in different formats, PNG, PDF, or SVG. You can also move it to a separate sheet. Now it's separate but still linked to the data. From here you can copy, edit, publish, download, or delete it. Let's move it back to the sheet. We copy it, delete this one, and paste it again. Now let's publish the chart. You can choose to publish the whole sheet or just the chart. Let's publish only the chart. You can choose image or interactive. Let's keep interactive. Click Publish. Now you get a link. Open it in a browser and check. You can share this link with others. Because it's interactive, you can hover to see tooltips. Now let's try publishing the entire sheet. Now we see both the table and the chart. To stop publishing, open Publish Content and Settings. Click Stop Publishing. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.